1, 2, 3, microphone check. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. Okay, it works. It works. Hello guys and welcome to my channel QANSIGLIERE. Today I'm going to continue working on my project to control productivity of teammates. For this purpose we are going to upload data from test trail, Jira and analyze how many stuff we did for any selected time range. But at the beginning of this conversation, guys, let me remind you that you have a great opportunity to ask me any questions directly. To do that, you just need to open my YouTube channel, click here to get access to all available links, and you just need to click on the first link. It will open a new Google form where you can write your questions and send them to me. From my side, I'm going to review all your questions and try to answer them in the next videos. So, what we are going to do today. Today we continue working on my project and it's called Eye of God. This application will track the productivity from teammates from Jira and test trail. We already created some private repository in GitHub and today we are going to implement some additional functionalities. But let's review what exact we want to implement. Let me open Draw.io webpage. I spent 30 minutes to make a scheme how it should work. So right now we have two sources for data. It's Jira and test trail. From Jira we are going to upload data about created tickets and changed tickets. From test trail we have more tasks to do because we should upload information about projects, about test plans, test runs, about section, about test results. And based on this information we should calculate how many new test cases we have for selected time range, how many test cases we executed, and so on. After this step, we are going to collect all data, filter it to remove some unuseful information, and based on this draft data, we should create a detailed report and probably save this information to database. And based on results, we also should generate HTML files, send it by email, or maybe also we can create an Excel file to demonstrate our results. So what we are going to do today, let's review what we already have, because honestly I already forgot what I implemented here. Let's open Visual Studio Code and the project itself. So what I already have, we have some connection for Jira. All right, we have connected library to save files. That's also fine. In package JSON, we could change the version from 1 to 2. What else we have? We upload information about all Jira users. That's funny because I do not see any parameter here. Maybe I used some old version of the library. Could be. Let's do the phone stuff. Uninstall. What is it? Okay, now it's installed. And let's check changes. Let's check what we have here. Get all users. Okay, now it works with parameter in the function. Perfect. Upload information about users, upload all created tickets, and upload all changed tickets. Okay, let's check it. Let's connect Jira, but I do not see any file with parameters for connection. Let me check. Where is it? Okay, so now I have vision what should be improved. Let's add the link to the current video. Feel free to like it. Okay, so done. Plus, let's make some improvements. For instance, and let's add basic information about after. Okay, what should be next? Next step, we should create configuration file with credentials for Jira and for TestRail. So let's create it. All right. Let me find my credentials from Jira. Okay, but let me create a new Jira key. Plus, I need new credentials for TestRail. Okay, so we can close this one project, this one. Done. Remove. Close. Okay, open your window. Open documents. Wait a minute. Okay, let's make few changes. Okay. First of all, I need to get new credentials for API from Jira. Probably I have information about it here. Let's trick him to get API key. Connect. Wrong page. Okay. And scopes, security, basic auth. Okay, API tokens, right. And let's copy this link address and let's add this information to README file. Additional links and Jira API keys. Let's place it here, save and open. Okay, now we can create a new API token. Let's create it for 1 year. Okay, done. Create, copy and done. Okay, new token is created. Let's check it. Okay, now we need to create a test rail project. Let's go to test rail. We provide opportunity to create a temporary environment for probably 2 weeks or maybe 1 month. And Eduardo. Okay, optional. Let's call it eye of God. Okay. Okay, let's say yes. Okay, eye of God. I agree. How many? 1, just 1. Let's wait for new test rail environment. Okay, I just received an email. Let's confirm it. Okay, looks like we changed the way how we create environment. Let's wait for test rail env and let's work with it. Okay, we created new environment, but I do not see the way how to enter. I'm new, student, nothing of it. Okay, so let's check my settings and API keys. Let's check my settings. From here we need to copy email address. That's done. We need to copy base URL. That's also done. And we need to create API token. Let's add the key. Let's generate the key. It's very stupid. Guys, please add copy button to the page. I think it's default solution right now. It's not rocket science. Let's add the key and save changes, because without it, it will not work. Nice. What is the next step? Let's create the project. Okay, it should be use single repository. Nope. Use a single repository. Nope. Use multiple. Yep. Okay, now let's create two test suite. The first one, and let's add the second one. Right. For the first one suite, let's create few sections. Basic. And let's create this case. Case number A, and done. Now let's create the second test case. Okay, it's not so easy. Let's create the second case, just none. Come on, I want to create this case without section. What is wrong? Okay, case B. Let's create it and templates. Type, automation type. Okay. Save. Okay, let's check the suite. Okay, let's create a new section, non-basic. And let's also add some test case. Case C. Done. Now let's create milestone. Friday 5th. No parent. Let's create. Okay, edit. It's milestone and let's create a new test run. Okay, first one, milestone is, and include all test cases. Passed, failed, and one is not completed. Okay, and let's move to the second one suite. Just create this case. Case 1. Case 2. Case 3. Okay, now we have some coverage, we have milestones, and what else we can do? Let's open project settings. We have this one project. Let's edit it. Reference access. Okay, defects. It's integration between TestRail and Jira, for instance. References, user variables. Type. Not yet. And webhooks. Okay. What else we can do here in this one project? My settings. It's general stuff. Working on in progress. Test results. How to add custom fields. Well, we can do it. Administration. Subscription, site settings, integration, customization. Oh, yes, this run. So to add custom field, we need to click here. And let's do it. Integration. Integration. It will be a Dropbox. Okay. Let's add custom field. You must assign the field at least to one project. Okay. It's here. Okay, so option 1 is Jira, option 2 is TestRail, option 3 is GitHub, option 4 is QANSIGLIERE. Okay, default value it's not one, and let's select only this one project and save. Nice. Let's make another additional video. Hello guys, today we are going to create some additional custom field for our TestRail project. To do it, you need to have admin permissions on the TestRail website, and let's add custom field to test cases in our specific project. Let's open main TestRail page and click here on administration button. Scroll down, here we have section with customization name, click on it, and here on this page we can add additional custom field. Let's click on add new field, and let's say what it will be. New field, for instance, watch model. Okay, system name will be watch model. It will be a drop-down list, and let's add configuration. So one is Tudor, second one is Seika, third one is Bulova, fourth one is Citizen. So What else? Let's click OK. And let's assign this custom field to all projects, or let's choose any specific one and press Add button. So if we open our project, if we go to any test suite there, and if we click on Add Test Case, we should see new field Watch Model, and we have this one list. Also, previously I added integration field, and it also is shown. Okay, move next. We added some custom fields, right? We have some setup already in TestRail, so we can start working on our solution to track productivity of teammates. Let me check one thing. New window, open. So this one file can be removed. Great. And let's connect our environment file. To do it, let's write source jira.env. And now we can make some separation. So first of all, it will be Jira. Second one will be TestRail. Let's make the file for TestRail. Upload data from TestRail.js. Okay, and let's copy this stuff. And let's choose the ticket to work. Let's open our automatic reporting system project and upload data from TestRail. Let's work on it. Move it in progress, copy its name, and let's create a new branch. So new branch, create branch, bring my changes and publish it. Okay. So what data we are going to upload from TestRail? So first of all, let's choose the right library. As you remember, I already published it in npm.js.com. Okay, and TestRail. So let's copy this part of the code. This part of the code can be removed, and this one part can be moved to Jira. Move. Okay, and Jira data. Okay. So what we are going to upload from TestRail? What information is needed to us? First of all, we should upload information about all available projects. Upload information about existing projects. How we can do it? Let's check API library. Okay. So what we have for project? Get projects. Okay, method. So let's do it. Let's let projects equal to wait new integration get all projects, right? And what is next? Let's save it. So data sources, test trail, projects. Okay, let's check our library node, test trail, and upload data. Okay, file is created. What? Error, the API is disabled for your installation kit menu in area under administration. How to enable API in your TestRail environment? Let's do it. Let's open TestRail webpage, go to administration, and let's find integration. Here we have integration for Jira, and it's wrong one location. Let's try to do it one more time. Administration site settings API. How to enable API integration with your TestRail environment. Let's open TestRail webpage, open administration tab and find site settings. Here we have API tab, and you just need to click on enable API checkbox and save. After that, you should be able to work with embedded TestRail API. Yep, it works. Let's check information what we uploaded. Come on. Okay, we have only one project with ID 1. Okay. Good. So our next step, based on information about projects, we should upload suites ID. Upload information about suites, about all suites per project. Okay, so information about project could be needed in the future, so let's keep it. And let's make the next action for let project of projects. What we should do, we should do the following stuff. We have projects JSON file. So let's add information about suite. Why not? Okay, so let's say what project, let suites equal to wait new integration get suites project ID. Yes, that's right. And let's save this information. How to save it? We have a lot of suites. They have different projects. And what we can do, we can, let's say, what project suites. Project suites. Is an array suites save. And let's save project here. Let's run our code. It will not work. Let's run our code from here. Okay, for let projects okay, what is wrong here? From projects. Now it should work. Okay, let's check. Okay, we now have information about all suites. Each suite has own test cases. Each test case has own section and own settings. So let's make additional uploads. What we should do next? So here it's fine. What should be done next? What should be done next? We should upload data about test cases. Let's check the library. Get test case, get projects, get results, get suites, get tests, where you get tests, run ID, get case. Case is based on project, get statuses, get cases. Get cases is based on project ID and suite ID. Okay, so what should be next? We have suites. Suites is an array with each element. So for each suite, for each why not? let's try this solution. Projects for each project. Okay, for each project we do this operation. Okay, understood. This approach will not work because it's not a sync method. Okay, in our case, what we will do? For let suite of suites, we do our own operation. We do next let cases equal to wait new integration get cases project suite and suite cases is cases. Okay, now we upload information about all cases per suite. Okay, let's do it. Cases is not because we have an issue and it should be fixed in this way and in this way. Okay, run. Great. Let's check what we have. Okay, we have suite 1 and we have suite 2. Okay. Okay, what else we can upload from test rail? From test rail we can upload test rail API. Users. We can upload information about users, why not? Let's save it. Okay, what else we can extract from test trail? What we need? We need information about sections. Get section, and section can be defined only by suite and project ID. So what we can do? Right, we do also upload information about all sections per suite. Okay, let's sections await new integrations, get sections. Let's copy the same stuff and say what suite sections is 1, 2, 3 sections. Done. What else we can upload from Jira? Let's check. Let's run the command upload data. Okay, test trail users. JSON. Okay, here we have email, and it should be enough. Great. Next one is project. Let's copy. Wrong one. Okay, each test case has custom goals, custom mission, custom expected, custom steps. Okay, what we can do? Validate test cases without steps. Me personally, I hate when somebody create any test case without steps or expected result and keep it in test trail project. Also, we can validate who created the test case and validate cases when someone provided a bunch of results less than 2 seconds. Okay, a lot of improvements, but it's not bad. Okay, what else we could do? We have test cases. Each test case has section, template, priority, type ID, milestone, created, updated by. It's nice. Updated at, created at. Okay, so we need to create a constructor. Date. We need to create a new function to work with date. Custom assign to, custom automation type, custom watch model. Okay, so where we can get information about, let's check information about sections first of all. So cases we have, great. Sections, also there. ID, suite ID, okay. Great. What else we can upload? Case fields. Okay. Upload information about case fields. Let case fields wait. New integration, get case fields. Save. Case fields. Okay, let's upload it and run. Okay, case fields here. Let's check it. Okay, here is information about our custom field, custom integration, and values. Okay, and here information about custom watch model. Okay, so let's make the following stuff. Extract data from case fields. JS. Okay, what we are going to do, we do next let case fields require to upload data sources and case fields. Okay, now we have case fields, and what we are going to do. So function number one, it will be function get data from specific field and field name. What we do, we return, where is an example? Okay, we have an array. This array has several objects. Each object has name and system name, and it has project IDs and it has values. We need to extract values. And what we will do, so first of all, we should filter only active. Return okay, function get active fields. We use use some source of data. Array value, return array value filter x, where x is active is true. Let's double check it. Active is true. Okay, great. What should be next? We should return results based on system name. Function get data, get specific field data, field name, system name. Return array value filter x is x system name, Let's check it. Okay, done. Now we have this information, but this information could be applied to different project IDs. Okay. By the way, I want to check one thing, and let's check it here. Get console look. Some time ago I found the issue in TestRail API, and I want to check is it fixed or not. Let's do it. Okay, it looks like we fixed it, but let's double check. API integration, get cases. Let's find it. Get cases, and limit is 1. Yep, we still have this error. For each next link we add additional slash. That's funny. Okay, Axios utils. can be removed. Save, close. Okay, let's come back. What should be next? We should find values for any specific project. Get values for specific project. Array value and project ID. It should return array value. Each array has configs array, configs, and here we should filter results x context project IDs an array. So x context project IDs includes project ID. Okay, and what should be next? Configs context project IDs index option items. So 0 option items. So let's check our functions. So get active fields from case fields. It's not empty, right? Console log, get active fields. Cannot write file integration because it would be okay, but it is not interesting right now. If you can't solve the problem, just remove the file. And that should be it. New terminal and run. What is wrong? Okay, node. Test rail. And extract. Okay, we have only active. Now I want to get information about a specific field. So for instance, in our case it will be custom model. Let's check it. Okay, it returns only one record, and we want to get data only for project 1. Undefined. Okay, what we could do? Okay, options. Items. Okay, it returns the string value. Now we can combine these functions. This one and this one, and remove these fields. So case fields, system name and project ID. Okay, it works. Now we have another issue. We need to find the way how to convert the string value to JSON. How we can do it? Let values equal to array and convert string value to JSON. What we could do? Step number 1, we value split by /n. We receive an array result is JSON file, and we do return result, and we do for each x. What we do, we have result from x split by comma 0, one, and we can trim results. Nice, looks nice. Okay, this one can be saved. Okay, let's keep it here right now. What we could do next, we upload information about created test cases, we uploaded information about sections, we need to define information about milestones, and test plans and test runs. Get test plans based on project. Test runs we can get by project ID. Get test plans. Okay. Suites. Upload information about all test plans per project. Test plans. Get test plan. Get plans. Okay. get runs. If we get test runs, we can upload information about results. Okay, let's upload it. For each run we do next let test let results await new integration get results for run.id and run results is run results. Okay, and let's try it. Test trail upload. Get results for run ID. Yes. Get all runs. The problem isn't in runs, I think. Runs, if we get runs. Suite ID, project ID, ID. Okay. Let's make some modifications. Console log and run. Source Jira. Yeah, because I disconnected the environment file. Okay. Let's check the JSON file. It will be a huge one. Okay, we have test results, test ID, created, and where is execution? Result. And how I can get result fields. Okay, what we could do, what we have results, task is ID, task is statuses, get statuses. Okay. Information about statuses. Let's statuses. Wait. New integration. Get statuses. Okay, and save it. Statuses. Okay. Okay. Done. Let's run it one more time. Okay. JSON parser. Okay, status ID blocked. 5 is failed. 1 is passed. Status free untested. Okay, why I do not like results like this one? Because it's not clear who made the status change, because we have created, we have assigned ID, but it's not clear who changed this case. Who changed this case? Result. Now what, guys? I can't find any information about who updated the test case and test run. It's interesting. Okay. Okay, probably we see limitation of TestRail API. Okay, let's complete the part with test plans. Plan. Get results for run. Yep. Test plans. Get plans. Probably it's not needed yet, but let's keep it. Each plan has own runs. Okay, so test plan, it's combination of several test runs. Get plans. Get results for test case. Next one is run and test case, and next one for run. Okay, that's probably it what we can upload from TestRail. Alright, so let's upload it and save. Okay, nice. What we could do next. Right now we have data from Jira, we have data from test trail. So we can now filter this data and prepare some reports. Okay. Data uploaded, data sources. Okay, it's also done. So we completed the huge part of our library and we can commit our changes. Let's commit it. Jira package readme. Cool. Okay. Let's open GitHub. And what we also could do, restrict test trail sync for any specific project and wait. Done. Okay guys, today probably that's it. Thank you for your time and I wish you to have a great weekend. See you next time.